What is good, YouTube? I haven't recorded a video in so long, bro, but it's been months. Not months, but yeah, it has been. It's been like a whole month. I don't know if y'all can hear me with the windows down. I gotta put them down for now because in my area there's helicopters that be tripping about window tints, so that shit's annoying. But when I get to the place, you're gonna see because today is the day. I'm not gonna get it back today. I'm probably gonna get it tomorrow, like tomorrow evening. But today's the day that the mod I've been talking about since I started this whole goddamn channel is finally going on. My rear diffuser with a third brake light is finally going on the S3 today. Well, tomorrow, but I'm leaving it overnight. And when I get it tomorrow, it's gonna be on the car. So probably haven't even seen me in so damn long. Your boy, fresh cut. Not fresh cut, but my cheeks might be a little bit swollen because your boy got his wisdom teeth taken out recently, but yeah, we still look at the back. Look what's in the truck. It's all covered in plastic right now, but that's the diffuser right there in the damn trunk in this plastic. I'm trying to drive carefully because I don't want this shit to like break or get damaged, cracked or nothing, because carbon's expensive, bro. That shit was $750. That shit's been sitting in my garage, bro. I don't even know how long. It's been like a whole month it was in my garage, so yeah. My boy is about to pick me up. I don't think y'all ever seen him in a vid or nothing, but y'all gonna see him today. He's about to school me because I'm on a time crunch. This shit, it gotta be like, they said bring it by 5 o'clock. It's 4:50 right now, so I'm on a huge ass time crunch. I'm like 2 minutes away though, so it's cool. But yeah, hopefully y'all been good. Hopefully y'all been like enjoying 2025 so far. I know like the year kind of just started, but it's low-key going by quick, going by hella quick. Yeah, the S3 still going strong. We low-key gotta check engine light right now if y'all didn't see it earlier, but I'm thinking it's just the shit from my exhaust, because when I put on the exhaust, they cut the damn cables for the OEM like valves and shit, so it just throws a check engine light like every couple months or so. And when I took it to the dealership, they're like, yeah, like your software is not recognizing the exhaust and shit, so it's always gonna keep doing that. So that's gonna be a problem that we're not gonna be able to avoid. But yeah, and I think my stupid ass made a wrong turn, bro. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I can stop being an idiot. Damn, bro. Goodbye to the S3. I'm never gonna see it ever again. So now I'm about to get it back. Hopefully tomorrow evening. My boy KG.
What's good, y'all?
If y'all haven't seen him before, he picked me up in the big Tonka Cadillac. This boy be driving like, oh no, he be driving like a YN, but my man's about to get a vet soon too.
Yes,
he about to get a vet this summer.
Sir.
So S3 X Corvette C82, like that should be tough. Yeah, we gonna get some food. About to try Sonic for the first time.
Yes, sir.
And then we about to have sex after that.
Why are you gay?
We made a Sonic, you know. I'm finna be fat ass. I'm finna be a fat ass. I'm feeling some fries and a milkshake.
Let's get some mozzarella sticks.
Mozzarella stick. Do you want me to shit in your car, bro? Your nice ass leather seats? Might just get fries. I'm not gonna lie. It sounds boring, but I look you just in the mood.
Pickle fries are nasty.
Double Sonic Smasher. What the fuck?
Alright.
Crispy chicken sandwich. That kind of looks tasty.
Bro,
What should I get, bro? I don't know what to
Sonic
get.
cheeseburger, bro.
I don't know what to get, but yeah, I'm finna be a fat ass today. I don't know.
What sugar you gonna get?
You know I'm black, so I have to like drink my people in drink form. So I'm about to get chocolate.
What?
Chocolate chip cookie dough?
No racial, but
Or chocolate chunk brownie?
Wait, chocolate chip brownie? I didn't see that.
Chocolate chunk brownie.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna get the Oreo.
I'm about to get that. Wait.
Hold on, alright, I'm gonna order.
Alright, we finally got our food. We got my chicken sandwich, you know. About to put the Sonic sauce. About to make it drizzle. Got my milkshake. They put a little bit of their you know, they got a little excited and they put that on there.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What you think about the milkshake so far?
The milkshake is, I'll give like an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, 10.
We got a little cheeseburger.
Alright, bad.
A little bacon, then we got some fries. Then we got, you know, I don't know, I mean, no tomatoes. Tomatoes is nasty.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
What the hell is that? Look at this man's car, bro. This shit is huge. 7-seater. Or how much seats? 7?
Yeah, 7.
Yeah, 7-seater.
Legally.
Well, got help. Yeah, legally. But finna play some music. This man tried to play some freaky ass music like next month's not in his car, but like.
Bro, what are you saying?
But yeah, I'm finna crash. Alright, it's part 2. I did not film when I got to the shop because I was just in a rush. Like, I had to drop everything off. I had to drop the car off and everything. But yeah, the installation went well. I'm actually so happy with how it went. I'm cleaning the car now, so like it looks good when I show y'all because it was dirty as hell. Like pollen, dirt, rain, like all of it in one, bro. The car it was looking bad. It was looking like salvage, bro. Like it was looking hella bad. But yeah, I'm getting the wash right now. We in the wash. They spraying their little magic sauce on the car, little jizz on the car, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna hop out. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like with the lights on, cause oh my goodness. Time for the review, cause it's finally dark enough for y'all to see it. I don't think y'all are ready, bro, cause this shit looks so fire. Are y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Damn. Oh my. Look at the carbon fiber. These are my favorite parts, I'm not gonna lie. Like the little fins that come up from the side. Make it look aggressive. Yeah. But that's the Star Destroyer, dude. Oh my goodness. That shit is so tough. I just got it washed a little bit too, so you can really see the metallic shining. But you guys can't lie. The rear end, let me go back. The rear end of this car is finally coming together. Like it's transforming, cause you know we got this. Got a bonfire box. Got a bonfire box. Damn, look at this from this view. Oh my goodness, you can't tell me that's not hard. How long have I been saying this is my dream piece for the car? My dream part. Like I've been saying this shit for so long, and I finally got it. So all I could say is like I'm just so like look at it behind me, dude. Oh my gosh, bro! I'm gonna take so much pictures tomorrow when it's sunny and stuff, cause the car you can't really see the carbon right now cause it's so dark. But yeah, just know tomorrow when it's nice out and sunny out, I'm going to take so much flicks cause I need that carbon to hit. Nah, I'm thinking about starting an IG for the car too, cause I already have a TikTok. I have the YouTube channel, but I want to like grow more, so I'm thinking IG might be the move to help me accomplish that. But I hope y'all like the diffuser, bro, like I do, because I've been talking about it for so long, and I feel like not letting y'all down, but I feel like I've been letting myself down, because I was talking about it for so long, and I was getting mad at myself too. I'm like, bro, Chad, you keep saying you're gonna get this part, you keep saying you're gonna get this part, like when are you gonna get the part? And I finally got it. I just did not find the time to put it on. And my friend has a Subi with like a third brake light too, because that's really easy for them to put on and shit. And we were supposed to flick up, but yeah, he left to go back to his base because he's in the Marines. So I don't know the next time I'm gonna see him, but whenever I see him next, just know. Just know. So the next thing you already know is coils, but those definitely will sit in my garage. Y'all will know when I buy them, but I'm keeping them in the garage for a while. It's like March 25th, and we still haven't got a consistent like week of like 60+ degree weather. So yeah, I'm not doing that right now. I need the weather to warm up first. So that's really the next plan for the car. Actually, no, I lied. Before coils, I'm gonna take off the resonator off my car, and then coils. But I found my next wheels, and I know I already have wheels on the car, but y'all seen the state they're in. They're cooked. These are beyond cooked. So I found these wheels the other day, and these are my dream wheels. Like, and I can spec them out however I want. The company's called Velocity Forged, and look at them. I don't know if it picks up on camera, but got the little aero disc like plate around it. That's what I love. I've been trying to find some for so long. They're like 2600. That's not that bad. 2400 actually. That's not that bad. That's less than TEs still. Like TEs are so taxed. Like, I wanted to get TEs, but I'd rather get these because I'll get TEs one day. Like I feel like it's a must. But yeah, I'm definitely getting these because these are my dream wheels, and they'll look good on the gray. And eventually when I wrap the car, I'm thinking either midnight purple or like black. I just want to give y'all an update on what I've been doing, what I've been up to. And I finally got the part on the car that I've been wanting to do, the third brake light diffuser. So yeah, that's really gonna wrap it up. But I'm thinking to start an IG for the channel. Let me know if y'all want to see that. Feel free to comment. Make sure you like, subscribe, because there will be more. I'm trying to pick up the content once again because it's starting to warm up. Car meets are coming, which means more content for the YT. So yeah, I'm gonna try to be more consistent for y'all. Knock on wood. Knock on anything that looks like wood. So yeah, but y'all have a blessed one, and peace.